Tuloy na sa Sawalay Thoughts.
Hi everyone! Few days ago, I celebrated my birthday. I spent it doing simple things. I went to places I wanted to visit, tried food I've been meaning to try. I also stayed somewhere different and took random photos that probably don't mean much to anyone else but somehow meant a lot to me. Looking back, na-realize ko, none of those things, none of those experiences were impossible. Those are simple things. Wala naman pala talagang pumipigil sa akin. They were simply postponed. Naipagpaliban lang ng paulit-ulit. And it made me wonder, what was I waiting for? Now, before anyone misunderstands me, I have actually always been comfortable doing things alone. Na-discuss ko naman yun sa mga previous episode ko. I have traveled alone before, I've eaten alone before, so this was not about overcoming that fear. Siguro, dahil sa nakaraang 2 taon, hindi ko naman napansin na unti-unti nang nagbago yung mindset ko. Life simply became busy. Inuuna ko ang work because providing for my kids became my priority, and somewhere along the way, I started telling myself that some things, some experiences could wait. Makakapaghintay naman. At the back of my mind, for example, sinasabi ko na, puntaan ko na lang yung Raminan na yon kapag kasama ko yung friends ko, or kaya I'll visit that place kapag may kasama na ako. I slowly got used to that. I slowly got used to believing that experiences should be shared or at least happen when everything lines up perfectly. But this year reminded me of something I had forgotten. Life does not always wait until everyone's schedules match. Sometimes, or more often than not, if we keep waiting for the perfect timing, then another year quietly passes, and then another, until hindi na natin magawa yung pinaka gusto natin. Pero syempre ayoko rin naman na ang maging takeaway natin sa episode na to is yung mindset na, sige lang, gawin mo na lahat. No, this is not about being impulsive. Okay? This is not me saying we should spend money we don't have. I mean, if something requires saving, then save for it. If your responsibilities come first, take care of them. If you're raising children, paying bills, or building financial stability, those things matter. Okay? Planning is not the enemy. Hindi yun ang problema. Hindi problema yung pagiging responsable natin. There's a difference between waiting because you're preparing versus waiting because you've convinced yourself that life can only happen under perfect circumstances. Actually, may nangyari sa akin ganito. Just last weekend lang. So, I had a consultation in Makati. My lab schedule was not until after lunch. So, natapos yung consultation ko ng 10 a.m. Yung laboratory schedule, yung mga procedures, ay nakaschedule ng 1:30 pa. So, ang layo ng pagitan. Normally, on a normal Sawelay day, I would have stayed in the hospital scrolling through my phone while waiting. But then I remembered the ramen place I've been telling my friends about was only about 20 minutes away from the hospital. Yung Marudori, it's a ramen place in Salcedo na ang siniserve nilang ramen and dishes are chicken python based, if that's the correct term. Basta chicken yung siniserve. I don't eat pork kasi. So Marudori was only about 20 minutes away, and you know what? It actually took me almost 30 minutes to convince myself to go. Wala akong kino-convince na ibang tao, sarili ko lang. And it took 30 minutes. So I went. Pumunta naman ako, guys, and mind you, I'm not familiar with Makati, but I've always liked the idea of walking around this city. Buti na lang kahit paano, nasanay na ako gumamit ng Google Maps. Kakabalik ko ng hospital, nasanay na akong gumamit ng Google Maps to get around the area. And going back, matagal ko nang gusto ding maglakad around Makati. And nun ko lang nagawa yung dalawang bagay na yun. Nun lang, yung Saturday lang to be specific. And it's not even a good timing. I was worried about my health. I'm worried that I'm actually very sick. It's not a good timing, but I did those things on my own. And I'm happy. I'm genuinely happy. Nothing extraordinary happened. That day, naglakad-lakad ako, nakakapagod nga eh. And the ramen is delicious, and I know that I'll be going back to Marudori. Hindi siya extraordinary, pero minsan, hindi naman extraordinary ang hinahanap natin. Minsan, gusto lang pala nating matuloy. Doon ko na-realize na maybe we're waiting for perfect timing that never really comes. I mean, how many experiences have I postponed because I was waiting for everything to align? Hindi dahil hindi ko kaya or dahil hindi ako pinayagan, but simply because I thought it would be better later. I keep telling myself, someday after perfect circumstances, and maybe you've done that too. I hear my friends say that all the time. And then I ask myself another question. If hindi ako pumunta ng Marudori on that day, kailan pa ako pupunta? Kailan pa ako makakapunta? At simula noon, mas lalo kong pinag-isipan yung tanong na yun, yung tanong ko kanina. I've come to acknowledge that yes, not every experience has to happen today. Some things genuinely require time, and some dreams require planning. And that's okay. Not every dream has to happen overnight. Some moments are really worth waiting for. But maybe not not every good thing has to wait until someone is available or until we are under perfect conditions. For me, it's worth asking whether those conditions are really necessary. Siguro kaya hindi rin natin namamalayan kasi hindi naman laging big moment ang nagpapaalala sa atin na buhay tayo. Minsan, isang ramen lang pala, isang lakad, isang araw na sa wakas natuloy din. At doon ko rin naisip, hindi naman ibig sabihin nito na mas gusto ko nang gawin lahat mag-isa. I still want to travel with the people I love. I still want to celebrate milestones with them. I still want to share meals with them. Kasi totoo naman, may mga bagay talagang mas masaya kapag may kasalo. Pero siguro, ang gusto ko lang iwasan is yung paghintay ng sarili kong mabuhay while waiting for the right moment or the right person. Baka ikaw, habang nakikinig ka ngayon, may naisip ka rin isang bagay na matagal mo nang ipinagpaliban. I don't know what you have been postponing. Maybe it's a place you've always wanted to visit, or a concert, a celebration. Maybe you're waiting because you're still preparing. And if that's the case, keep preparing. There's nothing wrong with that. But if the only thing keeping you from living is a rule you've quietly created for yourself, maybe it's worth asking yourself the same question I asked on my birthday. What am I waiting for? What are we waiting for? Maybe we'll still enjoy those moments with friends someday. Sana mangyari pa rin yun. Sana dumating pa rin yung araw na makakasama natin yung mga taong gusto nating makasama. Pero habang hinihintay natin ang araw na yun, baka may mga bagay na pwede na pala nating ituloy ngayon. So, what are we waiting for? Padayon, mga langga.
Ayan, salamat sa pagkikinig sa episode na to. Follow me on Instagram at Sawelay Thoughts and leave your comments there or sa Q&A portion ng episode na to. You may also follow this podcast to stay updated sa mga latest episodes. Ito po muli ang babaeng mandaldal na walang makausap, daldal again next time, dito sa Sawelay Thoughts.